video using full automation, and I mentioned that I was going to indicate today how it was done. And so it was done using an amazing piece of software called Descript. And they have a special chat GPT, custom GPT setup called AI Video Maker by Descript. You can get the link down below. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to start up the old visor here. So we can see, I'll use my phone to launch a timer. So let's do that. Okay, let's see, where's the phone? There's the phone. And here's our timer. Okay, so there's the stopwatch. And I'm going to push this guy kind of down here. And let's test it to make sure it works. You start, stop. Okay, good. Let's reset it to 0. And then on this end here, what we're going to do, we'll bring it back shortly. We're going to tell it basically what video we want to create, and we're not going to do anything. Okay, so we're going to ask it to create a video, and we're not going to do anything except for watch it and see how long it takes. So today, let's do a video on, let's say a video about sending custom email messages using automation. How's that? Let's just do that. Let's say, please create. So let's, from beginning to end. So start the timer. And we're going to say, please create a video showcasing how to do an email campaign using automation, specifically tying, let's say, Google Sheets for storage and Gmail for sending emails and AI to create the content. Okay, so let's say we do something like that. Hit enter. See where we're at on the timer here, 54 seconds, okay. First thing it does, it says write the script. And then refine the script, pick a visual style, so on and so forth. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and look at the draft. It says, want to send personalized email without the hassle, how to automate the process using Google Sheets, Gmail and AI. Okay, so it's decent enough. Okay, let's go with that. Okay, let's assume that's gonna be the script for the video. Would you like to make any changes? At this point, you could make changes, so I'm going to say no. I'm going to go with what they have. Okay, now pick visual style. So they have this watercolor and ink, whiteboard, doodles. So basically, they give you 4 different styles. Let's go with modern geometric. That sounds good. Low poly 3D. Okay, let's try low poly 3D. Okay, nice choice. Okay, so now again, hands up, not doing anything. It's doing its thing. So essentially, we took about roughly 2.5 minutes, and it says, yeah. And then we confirm it, saying go ahead and do it, and that's it. So basically, you have to click a couple of things, and you can over here it says watch it, edit it here. So I guess it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and click on watch and edit it here. And let's see what it does. Okay, now it says generating video. And you can see there are some things in the background. Now I pulled up the script. I'm going to have the link to the script below. It's an amazing video editor. If you've ever done any video editing or need to do video editing, it's absolutely an incredible way to edit videos. You basically edit them using text. It's like working in the word processor. And so it's something that needs to be seen to appreciate, but I highly recommend the script. Phenomenal piece of software. It has tons of different options and features, and it's pretty reasonably priced. The free version is not going to get you too far, but it's not expensive. It's definitely worthwhile, definitely worth it. I mean, I can't say highly enough how much I like the script, and I do all my videos in the script now. Okay, so after about 4 minutes, basically we're done. Okay, So we're done generating. So now we can go ahead and play it right here.
Schedule emails, track responses, and even personalize follow-ups automatically. No more manual emails, just smart, efficient outreach. Try it today and make email marketing effortless.
Okay, so as you can see, it's a very short video, which is fine. I don't like the voice. The voice is just irritating. So let's see what we can do with voices here. It says browse AI stock speakers. And I can use my voice, by the way. You saw all that goes in there. But let's see what Cedric sounds like.
Life is like a camera. Just
I like it.
Life is like a camera.
I don't like that one.
Life is like a camera.
Ooh, sounds like a used car salesman.
Life is like a camera. Life is like a camera.
It is?
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important. Capture the
Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, let's go with Cedric. I like Cedric.
focus on what's important. Capture the good times. Develop.
No, let's try this.
Life is like a camera.
No, Judith.
times.
That's it.
Develop from the negatives.
Yeah, I like Judith. Okay, let's go with Judith. So we'll select Judith, and now it's going to do everything as Judith. It has to generate. As you can see, it says generating speech. We need to wait until it generates the speech. Right now, the timer is at 5.18 seconds. 5 minutes, 18 seconds. Okay, so we're waiting to see when it'll generate all the stuff, and let's see where we're at here. Doing its thing. When it gets done, we'll go ahead and wrap it up. Move myself up a little bit. Let's see what's going on here. All completed. Okay, so now it's done. We can play it.
And make email marketing effortless.
Okay, let's go to the beginning. Over here.
Here's how to automate the process using Google Sheets, Gmail, and AI. First, store your email list in Google Sheets, complete with names and custom details. Next, connect it to Gmail using a mail merge tool like Google Apps Script or a third-party add-on. AI can generate engaging email content based on your goals. Just input a few key details and let it craft the perfect message. Once set up, you can schedule emails, track responses, and even personalize follow-ups automatically. No more manual emails, just smart, efficient outreach. Try it today and make email marketing effortless.
Okay. To me, very solid, 42 seconds. So you can use it as a short video. And basically, we're done in under 7 minutes. That's how long it took us to create this whole thing from nothing all the way to the end, complete video here. And I haven't saved it yet, but obviously saving it will take another, 30 seconds. And that's it. And you have a video, you can drop it on YouTube, you can drop it anywhere you want. And so you can generate these things all day long. Like I said, you're going to have to sign up for one of their paid plans to be able to have enough credits and everything to be able to do it. But the process itself, as you can see, is super simple. Anybody can do this. It only takes 7 minutes or so, say less than 10 minutes to be on the safe side to generate a video. You can play around with the script, you can make changes, you can augment it anytime you want, as much as you want. But at the same time, as you can see, I just wanted to use the default that they came up with for this particular topic, specifically to show you that it does a good job, even if you don't tell it anything. It still does a good job. And of course, if you make it longer, then it'll be that. You can see visually, it created very nice looking backgrounds, definitely with the topic. We're talking emails, so on, so it's got that. And you can try these other visual styles that they have. And essentially, you can generate videos for training. You can generate videos for product promotions, things like that. You can generate video to promote your business, obviously. You can generate videos about anything and everything, and this is how simple it is to do it. So this is how my video from yesterday was created, using their custom GPT. Again, the link is down below, so you can try it yourself. You will have to sign up for Descript to be able to do it, and link is below for that as well, which is something I highly recommend, to use Descript. And that's how you can generate videos, faceless as they call them, videos, in literally just a few minutes. Hope you find this useful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. Thank you for watching this video and my other videos. Until next time, I'm Oleg, but in the meantime, here's the video it created.
Want to send personalized email campaigns without the hassle? Here's how to automate the process using Google Sheets, Gmail, and AI. First, store your email list in Google Sheets, complete with names and custom details. Next, connect it to Gmail using a mail merge tool like Google Apps Script or a third-party add-on. AI can generate engaging email content based on your goals. Just input a few key details and let it craft the perfect message. Once set up, you can schedule emails, track responses, and even personalize follow-ups automatically. No more manual emails, just smart, efficient outreach. Try it today and make email marketing effortless.